Hey there, I'm Hilary. Welcome to Primary Planet. Today I'm going to show you how to make some mini books that you'll need to fasten together with like a stapler. So grab some paper and a stapler and we'll get started. Hey there. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to create mini books that you have to fasten together with something. My last video I showed you how to fold mini books with just one piece of paper, and you can find the link to that down in the description below. Alright, so whether you have pre-printed mini books or if you just have plain paper, these work either way. So I have some paper. I also have some scissors. I have a stapler. This one happens to be swing arm. I have some yarn and a hole punch. Now really for any of these you really only need the stapler, but if you have the other things, these can be fun as well. Alright, so the first one is super easy. This one you just have to fold if you want. The nice thing about mini books that you have to staple together is that you can usually get more pages into them. So here's one that you just fold, and then you have the pages and the lines of writing. Now, if you want to add more pages to this one, you'll need to have those pages. So you just add those to the middle, fold them, and then you use your stapler. Now this one has a swing arm, so you can staple wherever you like. I really like that. And if you want to check that out, it is in the description below, a link for this stapler. So you staple, and you turn around and you go the other way. Make sure it's all nice and lined up. And there you go. Now you have even more pages. And of course, you can always add as many pages to the middle as you would like. So there's a bit of a different way that you can make that type of book. If you have the paper but it's only printed on one side, this way you can have a fun color cover. So you fold the front paper in half like a hamburger. Very technical folding term. You do this page like that. And then you put this in the middle. And then you can use your stapler the regular way. And then you have a color cover for that one. Another way, here's another nice fun color piece of paper. I'm using two just blank pages in this one. Fold it in half. This one you can use a hole punch to punch a few holes. And then thread the yarn through both holes. This one's kind of fancy, but fun. There you go. All right. Another one. This one you can make several mini books at one time. You fold it in half like a hot dog. Put a staple here, put a staple here, and then use your scissors. Or if you have a paper cutter, that works too, makes it a little cleaner. But there you go, now you've got two little mini books. If you want to add another staple to each one, you can. Another fun way to fasten together mini book pages is to do some tearing. So at the top, if you tear just a small tear and small tear, then you can fold the little tab backwards. Then you do the same thing down here. And you fold this little tab forward. Your little book is fastened together that way. Okay. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned how to make some mini books for your classroom.